Alright guys, welcome once again. It's my Francis Adam here. So I want to show you today's daily Cipher so that you claim your reward. So you click on your daily Cipher here. Once you click on the daily Cipher, you will now have to tap. So today's code is farm. So the first tap is 2 short taps, 1 long tap and 1 short tap. So we do it together. The next one is 1 short tap and 1 long tap. The next one is 1 short tap, 1 long tap and 1 short tap. And the last one is 2 long taps. So you take your prize. Alright guys, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. Also like this video to keep me motivated to be bringing you more updates like this. And if you're interested in joining my Telegram channel, the link is in the description section of this video. Take care of yourself, and until you hear from me again, make your life an exciting adventure. Bye.